The Roche-Posay Effaclar Ultra Concentrated Serum is a renowned skincare product specifically designed to target acne, blackheads, and blemishes. This video will dive into the key ingredients behind the serum, guide you on its correct application, and highlight the do's and don'ts for optimal results. Firstly, this serum is a water-based leave-on serum, so you do not need to wash this serum off. On the bottle, it says you can use the product daily. However, did you know most people over-exfoliate their skin, leading to an impaired skin barrier and more skin problems than ever? So what are the ingredients in this concentrated serum? The product contains glycolic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, and salicylic acid, which is a beta hydroxy acid. Both are exfoliating acids that work at removing dead skin cells and preventing clogged pores. However, BHAs differ from AHAs in how they actually work within the skin. AHAs are actually water soluble, and they really work at hydrating as well as exfoliating and revealing that healthier skin. Whereas salicylic acid, the beta hydroxy acid, is oil soluble. It exfoliates the skin by dissolving the bonds that hold the dead skin cells to the skin's surface. And being oil soluble, it's able to penetrate the pore and exfoliate deeper within the skin. It also helps stimulate cell turnover and improve the skin texture, whilst also regulating excess oil production. Salicylic acid is suitable for any type of breakout, blackheads, milia, and keratosis pilaris. In addition, salicylic acid's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help fight inflammation and discoloration in the skin. So how do you use the Roche-Posay Ultra Concentrated Serum in your routine? We recommend applying the serum 2 times per week in the evening, avoiding the eye contour area. You do not need to exfoliate every single day, especially if you are using retinol in your routine as well. You don't want to over exfoliate because you will give yourself an impaired skin barrier, which will cause so many more issues within your skin. 2 times per week, unless it's been prescribed to you and you've got a different routine where they're providing you instructions to use and exfoliate more often. It is a water-based serum, so it needs to be applied prior to oils and creams, but after cleansing and toning. It also needs to be applied to dry skin. So you want to go in and cleanse your skin, apply a toner, which is optional. You want to make sure that you've got dry skin, and then you're going to apply 2 drops into the palm of your hands and apply to your skin. Or if you prefer, you can use the serum as a spot treatment and only apply to your blemishes. Now, when you're using salicylic acid in your skincare routine, it is important to always wear a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30 or SPF 50, as chemical exfoliation can leave your skin more prone to sensitivity under the sun. You do always want to patch test any new product prior to using it directly on your skin to check for any skin reactions. And like any active ingredient, consistency is key, and you need to give your skin time to see results. Generally, you should start seeing an improvement within 4 to 6 weeks after using salicylic acid in your routine. It will also depend on other products you are using in your routine. Another big thing that happens when starting to introduce any exfoliating serums into your routine is you might actually experience something called skin purging in those first 4 to 6 weeks, where your skin you feel like is breaking out more than usual. And this means that your skin's going through a really good cleaning out phase from underneath the surface of your skin. So it's a good thing, and it should clear after that 6-week period. And then you'll start to notice that you have clearer and smoother skin. Now you know how to use the Roche-Posay Effaclar Ultra Concentrated Serum in your routine. Let us know in the comments what your biggest takeaway was from this video. And if you do struggle with breakouts and oily skin and want to learn more about how to help with that, then definitely check out these videos here next.